Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. We'll be seeing a kitchen essential. It is nothing but soy bajil masol or dry roasted coconut masal. This is usually added to most of the curries or gravies prepared by GSB Konkanis. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients which we would require would be 2 mature dry coconut, 1/4 cup of coriander seeds, 1/4 cup of urad dal, around 15 to 20 dry red chili or 3/4 cup of dry red chili. This you can adjust according to the spice level you require. Few curry leaf, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. To begin with, split open the coconut and remove the flesh out of it and slice them thin. Further chop them into smaller pieces as shown in the video. Now transfer this into a dry mixer and grind this in pulse until the coconut pieces are uniformly shredded. Next, take a thick bottom kadai, and once the kadai is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and transfer the urad dal, coriander seed and curry leaf into it. Now add the shredded coconut and saute this as well and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes in low to medium flame. Finally, into this add the dry red chili and the turmeric powder and saute this as well and dry roast. Make sure to keep mixing throughout the dry roasting process as we want our masol to be uniformly cooked. You can stop further cooking once the shredded coconut turns into golden brown color as shown in the video. Now our dry roasted masal for the masol is ready. Now transfer this into a plate and allow this to cool down in room temperature for some time. Now take a dry mixer or grinder jar and transfer the dry roasted masala into it. Now grind this until the oil starts separating from your masol. Now our masol is almost ready. The masala is of little coarse consistency, but the oil has started to separate. Now grind this for one last time and your masol is ready. We can see that the masol is of smooth texture and also the oil has started to separate from it. It might be a little warm at this stage, so allow this to cool down for some time in room temperature and later transfer this into a dry or sun-dried container. This has a very good shelf life of 6 months to 1 year. For longer shelf life, always use a dry spoon. This dry coconut masal is usually added while preparing any soy bajil gesi, which is nothing but a lentil and a vegetable combination Konkani curry. So do try this masol at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.